Dog urine spots turning your lawn yellow is like the ultimate headache for anyone who wants that lush green grass, but you can totally fix it with a few simple tricks. Okay, so first up, you gotta train your dog to use just one part of the yard for their bathroom breaks. Like, pick a spot that's low-key and not right in the middle of your nice grass. Whenever you catch your pup peeing where they're not supposed to, gently guide them over to the designated area. After your dog does their thing, grab the hose and water down the spot right away. This helps dilute all that nitrogen and saves your grass from those burned patches. You can even put up a little fence or use treats to make the pee zone more appealing. Try using grass varieties that are a bit tougher and more resistant to urine damage, like perennial ryegrass or fescue. Seriously, it makes a difference. If you're already dealing with yellow spots, rake out the dead grass and overseed with new grass seed so it fills in faster. Keep your dog's water bowl full at all times because when they're more hydrated, their pee isn't as strong and harsh on the lawn. And don't go overboard with fertilizer either, because too much nitrogen from both fertilizer and dog urine is basically a one-way ticket to more yellow patches. One of the top mistakes people make with dog urine spots on lawns is ignoring them until it's too late, thinking the grass will just bounce back on its own. Truth is, those yellow spots get worse if you don't flush them with water right after your dog pees, so act fast. Another big issue is using the wrong type of grass seed when repairing spots. If you want your lawn to actually recover, stick with urine-resistant varieties like perennial ryegrass or fescue instead of regular Kentucky bluegrass. The third problem is not being consistent with training pets to use a specific bathroom area, which just spreads the damage everywhere. Set clear boundaries and keep reinforcing the habit with treats so your dog actually gets it. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted, local contractors way easier when you need help fixing or reseeding your lawn after pet damage. If you're a contractor, it's also a sweet spot to get noticed by homeowners who really need your services, so everybody wins.